Hey man, how's it going?
Hey, Isaac.
Good. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Cyrus Marley. I was born in Canada. My background, my family's from Panama.
Oh wow, from Panama.
Yeah,
So you're indigenous to the Americas then?
yeah. My family back home is.
Oh good.
Yeah,
So have you been to Panama?
yeah, I have. And when I was there last year, they were having protests because Canada's down there trying to mine, and they shut down the whole street. Like, because there's 9 provinces, and there's literally one road that takes you to all those 9 provinces, and they shut down the whole roads, and that's like the main road for everything.
And was that the indigenous people that did that?
Yeah, it was the Indians that did that.
Oh, it was the Indians.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
awesome. Okay, cool. So what do you think about what's happening to the environment?
I think it's sad. It's really sad. How do you do that to live? Like, take a look at this water. It's beautiful. It's life, and we pollute it every day, like every second, like non-stop. Without, like, yeah, there is like campaigns and like stuff going on to like fix it, but that's not enough. Like, we actually need some real change before it's too late. It's at a catastrophic rate, and it's like the air, the land, like it's.
So what do you think we could do to actually change? What's the change that you think we need to do?
In my mind, I think, where do you start? To be honest,
Yeah.
I don't. There's so many ways you could. I don't know. It's hard to.
It's hard to know what to do.
It's yeah. It really is.
So how do you feel about
I
it
feel
then?
like I feel like really everyone should come together, and like a revolution is needed. A revolution is really
Wow.
needed. Like,
So a revolution.
it's like, I mean, yeah, it sounds big, but like,
Yeah.
how big does it sound to pollute everything we have on this, all the natural resources we have on this planet? Doesn't that sound big too? Like,
Yeah.
it sounds big in an extremely negative way.
Yeah.
Why don't, like there needs to be something needs to be done. It's really bad.
Right. So if there was a message that you could give to people about rising up, about making change, about being the change that they seek, what would it be? What's your message?
Would be come together, please. Like, everyone needs everyone. The land needs everyone. The water needs everyone. The air needs everyone. The animals need everyone. The insects need everyone. All the species, the rainforests need everyone. The trees need everyone. Plants need everyone. We all need each other right now.
Wow.
We really do.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your message.
Thanks for
Yeah.
this opportunity.
Be good. Thank you.
Be good.